Hudson Ranch was founded in 1981. I was 29 years old, and there was nothing on the ranch when I purchased it except for a perimeter fence. And since then, we've planted 200 acres of grapes. We grow 17 different varieties, sell grapes to 27 different wineries in the North Coast, and make 9 different wines under our brand Hudson. We're driven by our natural curiosity to do things that are a little unusual and different from the mainstream. It's always been my focus in life.
Hi, my name is Clayton Kershaw. I'm the winemaker here at Hudson Ranch. We are smack dab in the middle of harvest. As you can see to my left here, we've got a bunch of Merlot grapes just at the peak of ripeness. Getting it sorted and into tanks right now. And this time of year, we get to really dive in and expend a lot of energy all at once to, we hope, encapsulate one vintage in Napa and put that into a bottle. And we give it our best every try. Every time we bring in fruit, we get excited.
So we compete in a lot of giant vegetable contests. Sunflowers are one thing that gets entered into those contests. We grow 2,000-pound pumpkins. We raise pigs and chickens and lambs. We have the garden. We make olive oil, honey, vinegar, and most of those things are sold directly from the ranch or at our grocery store in town at Hudson Greens Goods.
The store was really founded on fresh, seasonal, organic vegetables. It's something that we have grown here ever since we started the ranch and we're dedicated to. In '04, we started our wine program as a small program of 200 cases. Today, we produce around 4,500 cases. We opened in 2018 to the public, and we'd love to see you. It'd be a pleasure.